guys, this is Untouchable Mama. Thank you for watching our video. Thank you for being there for us. Please do not forget to share with your friends and press the notification button. Also follow us on Facebook, Untouchable Mama page. You can also see me on Untouchable Mama backup page. We are there for you. Thank you for being there. Thank you, one love. I appreciate each and everyone. Bye.
Because the pictures they sent to me about Efehi, a lot of presenters they post Efehi picture. Let's pray for our brother. Let's pray for our brother. Let's support our brothers. Let's pray for our brother. I swear to God, many of our present I swear. My God and our ancestors. Now when you post the picture, national life. You have Efehi started to sing song for this media. None of them post Efehi song. None of them they play Efehi song on the platform. You are walking on lava be. Starting from Eddie Murphy. No go. No one you be. I was saying you I was no down. I was saying I was no down where no matter what. People are surrounded my social media. No media. When I'm here, no name, no keke name, no one. Everyone will post. Everyone will show sympathy. That's when you come and show sympathy. Everyone like support. When somebody they progress for life, nobody want to give a land and make it land. In fact, they want to draw the land. Some of them come and decide that pay for something. And what's the one? Oh no, man, una come sangara for this live video. For the song with this guy sing. The guy do show live on stage January. This year we just this so January. How many of you post a picture? How many of you are talking on a platform? How many of you are promoting with my platform? I'm making me some guy now. And whom you are on? Well, I post a picture of me. Pray for my brother. Support my family. Pray for my brother. Wow, one year, one day. About 5 minutes, why you are well. And now, when I want to come again for that high show, love how they come in, natural, and your friend, natural, see what I post. All of them, the semi, a chill video, the semi, and you get my post. But all love, I go as soon as they will want. The face see myself, I want promote a fame song. Who want to go the live video? Why take me hanging better? I say, I feel like one guru, I say, I think I'm better. Why I be let big? Osano Panoyan. Women lads and want to look for you. Odo Mame, Alaga be, Odo Mame, when the Lama tell you, do you ask him, do you like video? Rubbish people, useless people. Now what is spoil? They want to clap on the corner. Oh, how come there's something I'll tell someone to the Bohala like me? If you not think so, I don't be the reason I think to go and to work. Well, soon will the rover. Well, Bella Bone, you know, who never ever celebrates. You know, the year was celebrates. From our pharmacy party, so that your brothers is not, this way the guy they sing song. You know, so that your brother maybe they promote his song, maybe they share videos. I go school on our page, I want to see video on our page. I want to see song on our page. Guys do like for staying on our share. How was always why do those one rubbish set of people? If we don't come on, media come on, come mock to be support. Now I thought now post and pray for our brother for Osan and man, which do not mind different was soon. I can see the one. Then why here, if I can post was soon was boom. Nonsense. And if you want to know details, this offense, call my number. Send my number with a lawyer. They are family. I was wrong also. I have got a view. Boom. You love her so much. When this guy was trying everything possible, make he leave Saga, make he enter in music career. I not see presenters support this guy. See, this guy I presented before. They do Saga before, but now song called sing. His song, who's promote our own, and our own Benin brother be this one. Who's the promoter, wants to play his song. Well, we are not big. We are not big. To the yesterday, the guy come my platform here. He comes my platform now. Because I want to call Saga. You understand? Because I want to call Saga. Oh yeah. We had a prank camp. You know? That was that show we do for January. I don't want to do that show for January. Imagine I catch on my way. He fuck it. And the plan is Saga, they call it plan. You guys could plan it on my own. Couldn't you say it was not really a Saga. Now people they call on Frank here Saga where oh soon the Frank or I see Frank like this Saga. Something like that. You know people call me. That was they call me when I did that video, I say come here and pee. Now watch the video, life that for doing now. Now watch the video. Life not for doing. Now got to see what you do. You want to do show, you don't call me, you don't tell me your whole party, you want to do live on stage, January 8th, 2024. Was set for me and you. Man cast. Not from the world that show. You want with the picture of the lady on Facebook, the man, you remember here, about the mommy video of it. A warrior. You know, promote again. Now, when they watch on media, I widely like this. Don't fall for all these people's sympathies. Because nobody now is trusted on these social media, especially presenters. None of them is trusted. They can use anything to make money out of their own selfish and greedy interest. They feel use their Efehi situation not to be cash outs. So be smart and be wise. Before you put money for anybody account, know the account where you put money put. You understand? When are they know when are they put money put to aside this so I not get time for any nonsense, any scam things. So that's so they can't put for me. I not hear any news say Alpha brotherly see what is up with you. I beg, I need help, I need support to say hey. I go no say Ross, this kind of I go record down. I know they want to use my platform. You understand? If anything is up with my guy, at least I suppose get control. Alpha, I see what you I don't call your number, but no since when I don't call your number. I tell them I'm here. Since March, since when I did my marriage, when I do my introduction, Efehi was the only person that was aware. When I do my wife's introduction, the very day I do my wife's introduction, Efehi didn't lie. The day of my introduction, that's when Efehi didn't lie. That it's all true, we didn't lie. He called me to talk. Efehi that two wives Efehi gets. Two wives Efehi gets. But now me, I know what's in the shop and wife. Efehi call me, and that's Alpha. No side, I sit down. All men go to the man to wife. I said, we all they laugh. I said, guy, not gonna laugh. He said, guy, not collect on that one, John, I'll make him too. I said, hey, clear. Me now, you're on introduction level today, not like my introduction saying, see, Frank, you are a bad guy. When you talk, I say, Bale, my brother, what's to do? So we take the call throughout the introduction. With me, I think they call. Now they joke, the nigga was introduction, that was February. This February school post now, I think they call. Now the marriage, no, not call the call them not go. I don't tell them not go. I come boom up. When you're second, say over Alpha, 11 niggas come over there because I don't know okay. In 2 weeks time, that be the marriage, which is March 2nd. Now they calling up here, nobody marry you. Now no be. To my surprise, at the end of you see, so the police custody, the police arrest her for human trafficking matter. You understand? Now news story now they arrest him for human trafficking matter. He want board to go meet his wife for UK, then they arrest him. Matter we don't do yes. Not this recently, we could have the year. According to the story, Say not be this recent thing. Now what they don't do past because the first story they hear. Different first story now they hear. I don't even understand what they believe. Until I hear from Efehi directly or see her for news or newspaper. I'm not the one call the people now. See what happen. That's why you say I don't talk about them. Because I don't get concrete evidence or concrete truth to come talk. I don't want to call the talk like my fans. My Benin people will listen to me. Man don't like I like to do a tower. I'm not there for that one. Nobody, all of us are there, but nobody will the fuck up. You feel so? But at least if you want to give person story, give one legit story for media. So that they go know, okay, this one is what you do, this is what you do, this is what you do. Not be recently, according to the story we are here. Not be recently that what they don't do past years back. You know, Italy, they can't wait the case again. Now, I don't join the case. My guy don't know. You never tell where you get passport now. If now what you do recently, they will not give a passport. You cannot get passport for Italy. Nigerian passport now, you're getting your wife and your children. You understand? They even relocate, go UK. But they are still there for Bologna here. When they come, they stay. On a life contract, I feel get for here with the work. With the talk, normally. You feel me? So the thing shock me. As I call it, post the picture, when I pray for Efehi. That one they call it poster. That's when they bring accounts, they come out. I don't know where account they pass come out. That's the way you know if you talk to. I don't know how they bring accounts come out. I don't know. You don't understand? Where account they pass, they come out. Me not come know. I must stop my own. Before they cost they use Efehi, they need to scam na money for social media. But not too where this are people don't do. So no one in the book where I don't talk about. And they shut down now. Who get here? Not concerned. Look, I'm gonna call this video. Before they all this one Benin hungry people now. Because they plan marriage now, they find money by homies. Before they go, they use my money to do marriage for corner. Say that Efehi, they want to give money. My hand and my leg, no, they are washing for months. They not call me, tell me, say, almost see what they play, see what happen, see the story from the rightful source. Make I come say, okay, no matter, I go see come talk for live video. Give my facts. So all those one when they say, now, so this one happen, so they arrest them. If you want to hear the details, call this number. But download the details for the platform. Make everybody know what thing that they pray or support person for. Now, so they do things. That's how they get for all those icky. They postpone person. They want to do all those backyard things. Call this number, they call you for back. Bros, if the thing legit, when you reach a 1, 2, 3 person, talk about live video. That's something they do by thing. Anything where you come put your number on social media, so they call you to hear the details. So that you hear, see what this camera I use for a man, you can't call. If I was here, you say, see what happen, and I want my money, I will call it now. Now, call the code you to tell you about money for back. I'm not there for that one. My hand not there. Before they do this one, they use brain sharply as the host, but don't play. You feel so? You know where they like, they want the no story. When I go like this occur. You understand? They're saying they need assistance. Let's hear from them. The person, the red person, the horse's mouth. Now, so you'll be, you know why? Being all of us, many of them don't go quickly. Or you go quickly, you better pass some ask going on the sleep. Now, never go there, they shout. You go quickly, then say quickly now, yeah, I work money, I have to take lawyer, to fight my case. Come Italy, the port come back to Italy. Exactly, it depends on the one where I go and they talk. So they give person a phone for them. They use it to communicate. They use it to talk. So if you get anybody who want to talk, but now their own personal phone, you feel me so. That's how you'll be. At least person, a guy get wife. Anything that happen, the wife get your husband platform. You feel me so. Don't be all this one when they want to do like this, yeah, me, I will not like it. I will not support that motion of using innocent person to go and make money. We understand that? I'm not saying not to make money, my own choice, no, I'm getting money. But the wise, the word is enough for the wise, don't play. I don't mind drink. I want your That's the little I can contribute about my brother, my friend, Efehi, who here to talk show. Until I get a concrete and a genuine story about what happens to him. And if there is any need of assistance, we all have to stand for him or assist him in one way or the other. It should be legit. Straight down. It's just the way it is. And Europe will do this one a police issue. Some of the Nigerians in the lobby. Complete. One of the girls' wives. No, nothing. I'm saying get better lawyer. I'm saying get this one.